y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Guerline and I create motivational, inspirational, and lifestyle content for other mothers just like me. And if you're tuning in again, thank you so much for coming back because you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into part 2 of my daughter's bedroom makeover. And this video is all about her closet system. And I'm so excited to share this with you. This is not a sponsored video, but I will link the company where I purchased the closet system down below. I actually bought 2 of these systems, one for my daughter and the other for my oldest son. And I'll be honest with you, at first I was intimidated to put it together. But once I got through building my daughter's, closet, I did get some help. I'm not going to take full credit for it at all. Once I got done with my daughter's closet, I felt so much more confident because, I even learned how to use a circular saw. And I feel like I need a pat on my back or a certificate or something. But that was just like a big hindrance for me because the circular saw is very intimidating. And so being the fact that this closet system made me have to use it really gave me the confidence I needed to do my son's closet completely by myself. So if you never used power tools before, yes, it can feel scary at first, but for me, this turned into such a great learning experience. I'm over here talking about I'm ready to do a built-in for my living room. Okay, baby steps. I know I'm getting too excited. I need to slow down, right? So here's what I did. First, I removed the old wire rack and I patched up the holes and got the space ready. I did not paint my daughter's closet yet, only because my plan is to paint 2 other areas of the house using the same paint color, and I didn't want to drag the painting process. I just wanted to knock everything out at once, so I said, let me postpone and get done with my son's closet so that I can do all the painting together. So I have a quick question for you. When you're putting furniture together, what do you like to have going on in the background? Because for me, it's always a good movie or a documentary. I know some people like music. What do you like? And are you usually the assistant or are you the main builder when it comes to projects like this? Drop it in the comments because your girl wants to know, okay? All right. Now, about the closet system itself, the quality is good, it's really good, and overall the instructions were easy to follow. The only tricky part was hanging the shelves, and honestly, part of that was because my walls aren't perfectly leveled, which means that the anchors that the closet system came with wasn't sturdy enough to hold the shelves flush on the wall. But once I used the other type of anchors I had, everything was really secure and I didn't have any issues. But y'all, I'm so proud of how it turned out. My daughter loves her closet. My son, he loves his closet as well. And he is also in the process of his bedroom makeover. So that'll be a different video that you'll have to catch within the next few months for his bedroom, and you'll see his closet system, but it's identical to my daughter's closet but slightly smaller for the shelf space. And even though there are still some finishing touches that I want to do, such as the draw pulls, they're a little bit too masculine for my daughter. Like small touches like that, I really feel good about where we are right now. And so I'm just going to enjoy the process and enjoy the journey and just make small touches like adding LED lights and stuff like that to the space. All right, so now I'm just going to show you clips of me putting the closet system together, and then I'll come back later on in the video to give you my final thoughts on everything. Okay, y'all, so this is where we are currently right now with my daughter's closet. And the struggle was real. The struggle was real, but we did it. We definitely did it. I had some help. I had to call for some backup, and I got some help to finish up the closet. And I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I do have to paint. That's something that does need to get done. But I didn't do that yet. My daughter is anxious, as you guys can see. I know y'all see this, right? We had to make some adjustments, but we got it. We got it, okay? So the closet system does feel very, very sturdy, good quality. I don't feel like anything's gonna break. So I have my rag here, and I am going to wipe all of the surfaces and start putting my daughter's stuff in. And I don't think I'm gonna paint. Like, we'll see. Honestly, I feel like I will paint her closet, if I'm being realistic, in a couple of weeks, okay? Because I have the same color that's on her wall here is what's gonna be inside of her closet, but I need to also paint 2 hallways in my house, and I'm trying to knock that all out at the same time. And today just isn't the day for me to be painting, and I don't think I'll have any time soon. So yep, I'm gonna clean everything up, you guys, and start putting her clothes in. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. When you engage with my channel by leaving a comment, sharing, hitting that thumbs up button, it lets me know that you enjoy these videos and you want to see more. So thanks again, and I'll catch you on my next one.